Hi everyone, Drina Burton here. For those of you who don't know my work, I'm the author of plant-based cookbooks, quite a few now. I have over six of my own, and I've co-authored two with Dr. Barnard. And my recent cookbook, well, kind of recent, it came out last year, is Drina's Kind Kitchen, for those of you who would like to go see what my cookbooks are all about. But the reason I'm here today is to share about two new products that I'm really loving. The first, I hope you have a Trader Joe's nearby because it's one of their, I think it's a fairly new product that they brought out. I found it just before the holidays. It is their truffle-y soy sauce. So this is very exciting because a lot of times we find truffle essence in olive oils or other carrier oils. And if you don't use oil in your cooking, then you might be missing out on that like condiment to add flavor. And you can buy truffle-based sea salts, but this is pretty cool and exciting. It smells absolutely divine. If you like that truffle essence, you will love it. And if you haven't tried anything with that truffle flavor, pick this up and give it a try. It has this like very deep umami savory quality, really nice to use on cooked grains, to use on potatoes, sweet potatoes. I just marinated some tofu with it, the simplest thing. I had tofu, sprinkle on the truffle-y soy sauce. I also like the name. It's kind of fun, truffle-y soy sauce. It sounds like something I would call it. And then a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Pop it in the oven and just get it baked up. You could also put it in an air fryer and all that essence will soak into the tofu. But of course you can use it on other things, greens, salads, like I said, cooked rice. It would be delicious on that. The second product, it has a little chocolate. Yes, for those of you who know me well. This is a product I found at Whole Foods in the States, and I'm adding the link below for Amazon for those of you who want to purchase and have a look for it online. The company is SOOM. So this is a new product to me, SOOM tahini, and they have a few other varieties. I haven't tried them because this is the one, of course, that caught my eye. Yes, of course, chocolate. And it's not just dark chocolate tahini, it's dark chocolate tahini with sea salt. It's especially good. I'm just going to get a little spoon and show you guys. This would be great, of course, in oatmeal, on toast. You could use it in cookies and baking, but sometimes this is all I do. Just put in the spoon and you can see, can you see in there those little nibs? That's the sea salt. So when you get a taste of it, oh no, it's sticky and I can't talk. It's so good. You get the hit of chocolate and then that bit of sea salt after. Absolutely fabulous. One of the new products that I'm loving right now. This and the truffle-y soy sauce. Give them both a try. Comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm still trying to work this. Let me know what you think of those. And I'll be back with more soon. See you.